Hello everyone. So this tutorial will be the continuation of my last video that was pushing the my source code to the Azure DevOps repository. So this will be the continuation of that demo, and I'll be providing that previous video link in the description down below, so that would be the prerequisites for this demo. In this I'll be showing how to uh, configure the continuous integration and continuous deployment service, so that whatever changes you make, that will be automatically deployed to the Azure web services. So in the last video we had used Azure DevOps to keep our code in the repository. So using the Azure DevOps, we'll be creating a pipeline that will be used to send our code to the Azure app services. So if you want to know how to create Azure web app services, I'll be sharing the link in the description. So I hope the I'm assuming Azure app service has already been created, or we can create it over here. So this was the source code which is already connected to the Azure DevOps. So here is the Azure DevOps repository I have already created, and now I'll be configuring the continuous integration and continuous delivery. So when you click on the right click on the solution, here's the option that configure continuous delivery to Azure. So when you click on that, you'll be asked to what branch you'll be using to deploy your code. So we already now currently we have only one branch, that is the master branch, and this was the repository name we have used with the Azure DevOps, my Angular project. And subscription, this is a subscription of my Azure account, and you can either select existing app service or you can create a new app service. So I'll be creating a new app service, and app name, let's keep it default. Location, yeah, let it be same, and resource group, let me select demo art. Yeah, let me create a new resource group. App service plan, yeah, let it be same. App service plan size, I will keep it as free because I don't want to get charged for the deployment services. Okay, all are fine. So let's click on OK. When you click on OK, it will create Azure pipeline. So first of all, yeah, it is creating all the Azure resources. So this is a resource group it has created, and now creating the app service plan. If you want to know how to create those in the Azure portal, I'll be sharing the link in the description. Hmm. Okay, so I think I'll have to change the region. So let me change the region. You click again on solution. I'll edit this one and I'll change the region to Southeast Asia. Yeah, so I'll keep the plan size as free. So yeah, let's try it again. Resource group has created. Now creating Azure's app service plan. Yeah, I think now it should start working. Yeah, finally it has created app service plan to that Southeast Asia region. Now it is creating the app service. So this app service will be used to deploy our application. So it will give us the URL so that after the deployment you can access your application into that URL. That's a web URL it will be providing to us. Now it has started creating the Azure pipeline. There is a process of creating a manual pipeline, like without this automatic like you can create a pipeline manually using the Azure DevOps portal. Here when you go to the pipelines and when you select the pipelines, you can create a new pipeline over here. So this pipeline is being created just right now. So it is creating. See, now the pipeline has been created successfully, and yeah. Now inside the pipeline, it will try to follow each step, like restoring my packages and building and testing my application, so that after that only it will go for the release. See, restore has completed. Now building is going on. After that, it will gonna test, publish artifact. Yeah. After this pipeline job is completed, it will move to the release. All these jobs you can create it manually for particular project requirement. Yeah, so let this pipeline get all the jobs done. In the meantime, let me show you the link it will be used to deploy our web application. So this is the app service URL. So let me copy it, open in the web page. Currently it will, I think, show an error most probably, or it will yeah, it will show that have your code is ready, or use deployment center to deploy your code to this application. Since our code is already ready and our deployment is in progress, so I think soon we'll be seeing our project deployed over here. After our project is deployed, so I'll be showing by making changes to the application, and when you check in the code, so that changes gets deployed automatically. So this is the one-time process we'll be doing, configuring this pipeline, and after this one-time process, all the changes directly gets reflected to the or directly gets deployed to the web application. Yeah, see, pipeline jobs have been done. So when you go to release, so release job has started. So it's in progress. So this process will be done for all your check-ins. So it will complete all the pipeline jobs, and after that it will complete this release. So yeah, so as you can see, the release has been succeeded, and let's go to our application, reload the page. Yeah, see, so this is the sample web application deployed. So let's start making changes. Instead of hello world, I'll be writing hello world. And let's see whether that change is reflected on the web application. So I'll be checking the code. now code is getting pushed to the remote repository. So if you want to know how this is all done, like pushing the code to remote repository, you can watch my previous video. So when you go to the Azure DevOps, you'll be shown here when you go to pipelines and see this commit I have given hello all. So pipeline job has started. So artifact job is done, and our release job we have started. You can also track what all releases. Yeah. So release 1, release 2, you can track all the releases under your pipeline. So let me refresh my web page, and that change is reflected over here. Hello all. Yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you all.